Benvenuti. Welcome to the top 40 Italian dishes. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to Italy, a country that lives and breathes food. We'll explore 40 dishes essential to understanding the soul of this country. Get ready to learn, cook, and eat like you mean it.
Chapter 1. Bruschetta, the perfect start. Simple, fresh, and bursting with flavor. It's the perfect way to kick off this Italian feast. Chapter 2. Spaghetti carbonara. You'll be craving more. Authentic carbonara, pancetta, eggs, pecorino romano, and perfectly cooked pasta. That's it.
Chapter 3. Minestrone, a symphony of flavors. This isn't your grandma's soup unless she's Italian and a great cook. Fresh vegetables, rich broth, and pasta in harmony.
Caprese salad simplicity at its finest. Tomatoes, mozzarella, basil. Like the Italian flag on a plate and just as delicious. Fresh, vibrant, bursting with summer flavors.
Chapter 5. Focaccia, the bread of your dreams. This isn't your average bread, crispy outside, soft inside, bursting with herbs and olive oil.
Chapter 6. Frutti di mare, a taste of the Italian coast. Dive into the ocean with frutti di mare, fresh seafood, perfectly cooked, bursting with Mediterranean flavors.
This is ossobuco, a showstopper. Tender veal shanks, braised in white wine and herbs, a flavor explosion.
Who needs meat? Eggplant parmesan. Crispy eggplant, rich tomato sauce, and melted mozzarella. A vegetarian dream.
This is the pizza that started it all. Margherita pizza. Simple, fresh, and delicious. Thin crust, San Marzano tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. Bellissimo.
Chapter 10. Tiramisu, a coffee lover's dream. We're finishing with a classic Italian dessert, tiramisu. Coffee-soaked ladyfingers, creamy mascarpone, and cocoa powder. It's heaven on a plate.
Chapter 11. Risotto alla Milanese, golden goodness. This risotto is as rich and luxurious as Milan. Creamy, flavorful, with saffron for that signature golden hue.
Parmigiano Reggiano, the king of cheese. Forget that grated stuff. This is Parmigiano Reggiano, aged for months with a nutty, complex flavor.
Arancini, little balls of fried risotto. Crispy outside, creamy inside, bursting with flavor. Perfect Italian street food.
Ribollita, a hearty Tuscan soup packed with vegetables, beans, and bread. The ultimate comfort food.
Cannoli crispy shells of sweetness. Crispy shells filled with sweet ricotta cream and candied fruit. The perfect end to any Italian meal.
Forget watery ice cream. Gelato is denser, richer, and bursting with flavor. From pistachio to chocolate, there's a flavor for everyone.
An Italian feast isn't complete without antipasto. Cured meats, cheeses, olives, marinated vegetables, a celebration of Italian flavors.
This isn't your average spaghetti sauce. Bolognese is slow cooked for hours with meat, vegetables, and red wine.
Chapter 19. Panini sandwiches elevated. Forget soggy sandwiches. Panini are pressed to perfection with crispy bread and tasty fillings. From caprese to meatball, there's a panini for every taste.
Chapter 20. Lasagna. Layers of pure comfort. This classic Italian dish is all about layers. Pasta, meat sauce, bechamel sauce, and cheese, baked to perfection. Comfort food at its finest.
Biscotti, the perfect coffee companion. These twice-baked cookies are crunchy, flavorful, and perfect for dipping in coffee or dessert wine.
Chapter 22. Gnocchi Pillowy Potato Perfection. These potato dumplings are like pillows of heaven, boiled, pan-fried, or baked with various sauces.
Polenta, from humble to heavenly, this creamy cornmeal dish can be a side, main course, or dessert. Versatile, delicious, and a true taste of Italy.
Title: Tiramisu, Revisited. A second helping. You thought we were done with tiramisu? Think again. This classic dessert deserves a second mention.
Bruschetta, Revisited. Another bite. This simple appetizer is so good you'll make it again and again. Quick, easy, and always a crowd pleaser.
Frittata Extraordinary. This Italian omelette is packed with vegetables, cheese, and more. It's a great way to use up leftovers and a delicious meal option.
Panna cotta, silky smooth indulgence. This dessert is a little taste of heaven. It's light, refreshing, and easy to make.
A minestrone, a bowl of goodness. This hearty soup is packed with vegetables, beans, and pasta. It's the perfect comfort food for a cold winter's day.
Arancini, Revisited. More little balls of joy, crispy, cheesy rice balls that are simply irresistible. Perfect snack, appetizer, or light lunch.
Cannoli, sweet, crispy, and irresistible. These crispy shells filled with sweet ricotta cream are a true Italian classic. The perfect way to end any meal.
Caprese salad, summer on a plate. This refreshing salad is the perfect way to enjoy fresh, ripe tomatoes and mozzarella. Simple, flavorful, and always a crowd pleaser.
Spaghetti carbonara, creamy, cheesy, and delicious. This classic Roman pasta dish bursts with flavor from just a few simple ingredients.
Focaccia, the bread that keeps on giving, perfect for dipping, soups, or sandwiches.
Ossobuco, Revisited, tender, flavorful, and impressive, perfect for a special occasion. Impressive to look at, even more to eat.
Panna cotta, a blank canvas for creativity. This versatile dessert can be flavored with vanilla, chocolate, fruit, or liqueurs.
Prosciutto, the king of cored meats. This delicate, salty ham is a true Italian delicacy, perfect on its own, draped over melon or adding flavor to dishes.
Zabaione, a light and airy dessert. This classic Italian treat uses just 3 ingredients: egg yolks, sugar, and Marsala wine. It's light, airy, and delicious.
Tortellini little rings of flavor. These ring-shaped pasta are filled with meat, cheese, or both. They can be served in broth with sauce or baked in a casserole.
Stracciatella, soup, salad, or both. This simple Italian dish can be served as a soup or salad. Made with a few ingredients, it's absolutely delicious.
Affogato, the perfect coffee and ice cream fix. This elegant dessert is the perfect way to end any meal. Made with just 2 ingredients, hot espresso and vanilla gelato.
There you have it, you muppets. 40 Italian dishes that will have you saying Mamma Mia. Now get out there and start cooking. Buon appetito. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through